Student, let's begin with question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. Now see the diagram. What is given? The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay. So this is your building. This is your AB is your building. This is your building and this is the tower. And what is given? The angle of elevation of the top of the building. The angle of elevation from the top of the building, which is at B, from the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower के top पर, from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, this is the tower which is 50-meter high, find the height of the building which is AB, which we need to find out. Okay. From the figure, AB is building. This AB is building, which we need to find out, जो हमें find करना है, which is equal to H meter, and CD is tower, which is equal to 50 meter. Now, first of all, can we find AB by applying tan 60 in triangle ACD? Yes. So, by tan 60 in triangle ACD, we can apply tan 60 opposite upon adjacent. Tan 60 is root 3. CD is 50 upon AC. So, your AC will be, AC is equals to 50 upon root 3 हो जाएगा आपका. ये आपका AC आ गया. Now in triangle ABC, we can apply tan 30. Sorry, here tan 30 है angle आपका. Tan 30 is equal to opposite AB upon adjacent is AC. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. AB we don't know, which is H we need to find out AB. और AC हमें यहाँ मिल गया है 50 upon root 3. So this will implies that 1 upon root 3 after simplifying, अगर जब आप इनको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे तो ये हो जाएगा root 3H is equals to 1 multiplied by 50 upon root 3 by cross multiplication. Then H is equal to, अगर हम H को निकालें, H यहीं रखेंगे तो 3 upon 1, वो जब वहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, दिस इज 51 जा 50 अपॉन रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 अपॉन 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 अपॉन रूट 3. सो योर H इज इक्वल्स टू 50 upon root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3, that is 50 upon 3 meter. So after dividing, converting into decimal, you will get 16.666 meter, that is rounding of 16.67 meters. Hi student, let's begin with question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on the side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Now see the diagram. This is a two poles. One AB is one pole and CD is the another pole. They are standing opposite on a road opposite to each other. Now what the road is 80 meter wide. This is a road, AC is road, which is 80 meter wide. Now what else is given? From the point between them on the road, a point P is between the road AC. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. The angle of elevation on the top of the pole, तो एक पोल आपका AB है, यहाँ पे angle of elevation जो है वो 60 degree का है, and angle of elevation from the same point on the another pole is 30 degree. And what is asked? Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. This is to be find out. We have to find out the height of the pole as well as the distance between the point on the road, that we have to find out. Now it is given that the poles of equal height, जो pole की जो height है वो equal है. So we have a two pole AB and CD. Let us assume that height is H meter each. Okay. Now AB and CD represent the two poles here. So AB and CD are two poles such that AB is equal to CD equal to H meter each. Okay. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड, सी द डिस्टेंस AC, रोड का जो विड्थ है वो 80 मीटर दिया है. सो लेट अस अज्यूम AP एज x मीटर. अगर AP x मीटर होगा तो वी कैन फाइंड PC एज 80 माइनस x मीटर्स, isn't it? So let AP is equal to x meter. Therefore CP equal to 80 minus x meter. Now we have a two triangle. We can apply tan 60 opposite upon adjacent in triangle ABP. Okay, and from that we will get statement number 1. वहाँ से हमको H मिल जाएगा. सिमिलरली इन ट्राइंगल DPC, यहाँ भी 10-30 लगा के यहाँ भी हम लोग एक H को एक साइड ले सकते हैं. एंड कंपेयरिंग बोथ द स्टेटमेंट वी विल गेट H, एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग H वी विल ट्राई टू कैलकुलेट दिस X AP and then PC 80 minus X. So let's start the solution. First of all, in triangle APB, here I am going to solve. In triangle APB, we can write tan 60 opposite side, that is AB, upon adjacent sides, that is AP. You know that tan 60 is root 3, AB is H and AP is X. So by cross multiplication I can get X root 3x is equals to H, isn't it? And give it number 1. Now in another triangle PCD or CPD you can write. Here also you can apply tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side is CD and adjacent side is PC. Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to CD. CD is H and PC is 80 minus X. Now by cross multiplication, here by cross multiplication you will get root 3H is equal to 80 minus X, right? That is H is equals to 80 minus X upon root 3. Give it number 2, right? Now can we compare 1 and 2? क्या हम 1 और 2 को कंपेयर कर सकते हो? देखो 1 में भी H है और ये भी H है. सो कंपेयरिंग 1 and 2, कंपेयरिंग 1 and 2 you will get root 3H from 1 is equal to 2 से you can write 80 minus X upon root 3, because H और H सेम है इसलिए हमने इनको कंपेयर कर दिया. Now let's simplify. root 3 को शिफ्ट करो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. दिस इज root 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई root 3x is equal to 80 minus X. root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3x is equal to 80 minus X. Now 3x plus x is equals to 80. Minus x को हमने यहाँ शिफ्ट किया. So this is 4x is equal to 80. So your x is, therefore x is equal to 80 upon 4, that is 20 meters. Right? So x is equal to 20 meter. यहाँ अभी हमें x मिल गया. Now, so can we find H? Yes, we can. In statement number 1, we can put the value of x as 20 to get H. Now put x as 20 in equation number 1. Your equation 1 is root 3x is equal to H. That is root 3 multiplied by 20 equal to H. Put the value of root 3, which is equal to 1.732 multiplied by 20 equal to H. So 34.64 meter is equal to the height of the pole. So the answer is the required, the height of the poles are, both the poles are equal. So height of poles are 34.64 meter. And ये भी पूछा था कि पॉइंट वो कहाँ पर है. सो द रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट पॉइंट P जिसको हमने अज्यूम किया था. द रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट is 20 meter away from the first pole, and from second pole वो 80 minus x था, that is 80 minus 20 equal to 60 meter, and 60 meter away from the second pole, That's all. Let's begin question number 11. A TV tower stand vertically on the bank of canal. So this is the TV tower. ये आपका tower है which stand on the bank of the river. This is the river bank. Now from the point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. Tower के opposite side में एक point है. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. So from one point, the angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree. So this is your tower और एक point opposite direction में एक point C है, वहाँ से angle of elevation है 60 degree का. From the 20 meter, from the point 20 meter away from this point, the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Then what is given? From another point 20 meter away from this point, इस point से एक और 20 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे एक और पॉइंट है. दिस इज पॉइंट डी विच इज 20 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम सी. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट इज 30 डिग्री. ओके, and find the height of the tower and width of the canal. We have to find out this height of the tower, let us consider is h, and the width of the canal, that is BC, is the width of the canal that we need to find out, right? Now here we have a two triangle, एक ABC है और एक ABD है. We can apply tan 60 in triangle ABC, opposite upon adjacent. From there we will get statement number 1. Then in triangle ABD we can apply tan 30 opposite upon adjacent. From there also we will get statement number 2. H वहाँ पर भी एक side ले लेंगे and we'll compare both the statement and then we will get the X. ठीक है, यहाँ पे X हम BC को ले लेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ लेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टीवी टावर कौन सा है हमारा? AB इज टावर. AB इज आर टीवी टावर विच इज इक्वल टू H मीटर. नाउ BC, let BC equal to X meter, which is the width of the canal. CD is equal to 20 meter. Now we are going to apply first of all in triangle ABC. We can apply tan 60 over here. Tan 60 opposite AB and adjacent is BC. Tan 60 is root 3, AB is H and BC is X. By cross multiplication you will get H is equal to root 3X and give it number 1. Now in triangle ABD, we can apply tan 30. Tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent is BD. Here tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, right? And AB is H and this BD is made up of two line segments, CD plus BC. So 1 upon 3, 1 upon root 3 equal to H upon CD आपका 20 है. This is CD 20 plus X. So by cross multiplication you will get root 3H is equal to 20 plus X. So H is equal to 20 plus X upon root 3, give it number 2. Now comparing 1 and 2, see your statement number 1, यहाँ पे H root 3X है, here H is equal to 20 plus X upon root 3. So we can compare the statement 1 and 2, both the side comparing 1 and 2, क्योंकि HH equal है तो we can write root 3X is equal to 20 plus X upon root 3, isn't it? Now by further simplification, root 3 multiplied by root 3 will become 3X is equal to 20 plus X. So 3X minus X is equal to 20. So 2X is equal to 20 and therefore X is equal to 20 upon 2. 2 tens are 20. So what is the X width of the canal? Your width of the canal is 10 meters. Now we have to find out H also, height of the tower. We can put X 10 in either equation 1 or 2. तो equation 1 हमारा ज़्यादा easy जाएगा हमें, क्योंकि वहाँ सिर्फ हमको root 3 into X करना है. So put X is equal to 10 in equation number 1. Your equation 1 is H is equal to root 3X. Root 3 multiplied by 10, that is 10 root 3. Put the value of root 3, 10 multiplied by 1.732. So your H is equal to 17.32 meter. That is the height of the TV tower. So the height of TV tower is is equals to 17.32 meter and the width of the canal is 10 meters. That's all. Question number 12. Question number 12 is from the top of 7 meter high building. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. It is given that कि from the top of 7-meter high building, this is ground, BC is the base and AB is 7-meter tall building. ये आपकी building है. From this point the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower, इसी building के सामने एक tower है, ये this is the tower, this full CD is the tower. यहाँ पे टॉप पर अगर आप देखते हो तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन आपका बनता है 60 डिग्री का. सी दिस इज अ बिल्डिंग. फिर बिल्डिंग से आपको यहाँ पे एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बनानी है आइस से और फिर ये टॉप ऑफ द टावर इज 60 डिग्री. ओके एंड द एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ऑफ इट्स फुट, इट्स मतलब केबल का फुट, ये आपका केबल का फुट है. यहाँ से एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, दिस एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 45 डिग्री, मतलब दिस एंगल विल ऑल्सो बी 45 डिग्री. ठीक है. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द हाइट ऑफ द टावर. हाइट ऑफ द टावर मीन्स दिस फुल CD विच इज़ द टावर, जो हमें निकालना है. यू नो दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, अगर आप फिगर को आप देखते हो तो इफ AB इज 7, CE विल ऑल्सो बी 7 मीटर. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट CD. CD इज इक्वल टू DE प्लस EC. तो EC तो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है 7. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट DE. लेट इज टेक H मीटर. ठीक है. नाउ बाय 1045 in triangle ABC we can calculate easily BC, and BC will be equal to AE. Once we get AE, by 1060 we can calculate DE. Then DE plus EC is equal to the height of tower CD, isn't it? So now let's start solving. Now here AB is height of the AB is building 7 meter, आपकी जो building है वो. Now AB is equal to 7 meter. Now CD, your CD is the tower, cable tower. Now here AB is equal to CE, तो वो कितना हो जाएगा, दोनों भी 7 meter. Now first of all I am going to apply in triangle ABE 1045. तो in triangle ABC 1045 लगाएंगे तो अपोजिट AB एडजेसेंट BC. यू नो दैट 1045 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. AB इज 7 अपॉन BC. बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन BC इज ऑल्सो 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. नाउ इन मीटर्स, यूनिट्स आर इन मीटर. सो BC अगर 7 आ गया तो BC इज इक्वल टू AE, वो भी कितना हो जाएगा, 7 मीटर सी हो जाएगा. राइट. Now in triangle AEAD, now apply EAD में 1060, opposite is DE, adjacent is AE. You know that 1060 is equal to √3. DE is H, AE is 7, right? So by cross multiplication 7√3 is equal to H. Now H भी मिल गया. फिर वी कैन फाइंड CD. CD इज इक्वल टू, हियर CD इज इक्वल टू DE प्लस CE. नाउ DE इज H, जो हमारा कितना आ गया, 7√3 एंड CE इज 7. लेट्स ऐड दिस, टेक 7 कॉमन. सो √3 प्लस 1, क्योंकि 7 हमने कॉमन ले लिया है. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ √3 1.732 प्लस 1. सो दिस इज 7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1.732 plus 1. So after the product multiplication you will get 19.124 meter, which is the height of the cable tower. So height of cable tower is 19.124 meters.